Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks for joining Wyatt and I for another video. So Zena is actually right behind the camera looking at us with very little interest. How do you like that? What's up with that? I don't think Zena wants paid. Of course, my husband gave her a treat that is like laying right beside her. She likes to save them, so apparently she doesn't need any treats right now. But Wyatt's here. What do you think, buddy? You gonna help me today? I have my spring FabFitFun box that came in the mail. I am so excited about. I love the FabFitFun lifestyle box. It is so much fun. They always send the most useful products in their lifestyle boxes. So you do fill out a profile so that you are likely to get products that you love and enjoy. You also get to shop add-ons if you'd like to, which I believe I did add something on. And that, of course, is extra. It's $49.99 a season. If you do buy for the entire year all at once, you do get a discount. And I do have a referral link. If you use my referral link, you'll get $10 off your first box. So I will put that down below. Let's dig in here. Yay! All right, I got stuffing. What is in here? Oh, I was like, what did I add? I got packing cubes as an add-on. That was one of the choices. So a lot of times when customizations open, you get to make choices. Do you want this, or do you want this, or do you want this? And if you want to add on additional, there's like a minimal cost. Well, usually it's around $10, maybe it's $15. I think it was $10 extra to add in the packing cubes, so I did. So these are the CalPack packing cubes. You get a small, a medium, and a large. It's a 3-piece set. Look how cute that is. So if you are familiar with my channel, you guys probably know I travel quite a bit, and I have yet to have tried the packing cubes. So I have never actually used packing cubes before. So I'm anxious to give them a try. And I would love to hear from everybody on what they think of packing cubes. So I love this. I was reading what it says here on the wrapper, and there's personal ID spot for this, a top carrying handle, a back zippered pocket, breathable mesh. Lots of good stuff that comes with this. There's the little ID for the little section for you to put personal ID, the little back zipper, and all the other packing cubes are right inside here. Very nice. Very nice. And I think they had 2 different color sets you could pick from. And I chose this very colorful one because I'm still waiting for spring to come. So here's the second size, and then there's even a smaller one. Isn't that cool? And if I'm not mistaken, it was only like a $10 or $15 upcharge for me to add this in for my box. Cool. All right, so let's now get to the actual box of stuff. Wyatt's laying there. He's like, what'd you put beside me? Look how pretty this is for spring. Wow. Check this out. Oh, I got it upside down. Very pretty with all the butterflies. Love that. So pretty. You like that, YY? You helping out? Are you helping out? This is so pretty. I love it. I'm going to keep this box. So I think I did mention, so it's $49.99 a season, but you get $200 or more, is what I see in the box, worth of products in your box. So it's always well worth it. In my opinion, I actually really enjoyed this box. Okay, so right on top, you do get a little magazine that talks to you about all of the products that are inside your box, as well as other products that could have gone, the other people could have chosen. So all the products that were available for the spring. So cool. I also got some notifications about HelloFresh and Bright Sellers and Bite. Straighten and brighten your smile at home 6 times faster. That's interesting. I've never heard of this one before. All right. Now we're finally getting to the goodies. Check this out. Mystery choice. Look, I see that first. So right away I see mystery choice. What's in here? A mystery choice. I did go and do all my customizations, as you can see, since I got an add-on. Let's see if we can dig in here, Wyatt. A mystery choice. What does this say? The Better Skin Company Epic C Serum. It says Power Trio Complex. Tighten, brighten, and revitalize. It's vitamin C and a blend of 2 cutting-edge plant technologies. Vitamin C helps protect the skin, hydrates, and promotes a more youthful, revitalized appearance. French plant-based ingredients helps tighten and brighten skin, scented with a hint of lemon. Excuse me, I have a tickle. Tighten, brighten, and revitalize. So it's a full size. Okay, let's go to the next item. I see jewelry. So this is by Amber Skeets. I hope I'm saying that right. And I do see this in the book. Amber Skeets double coin necklace. And this was again a choice. So I got to decide between this and some other items. I picked this. It says this gorgeous double layered coin necklace features a detailed coin design on gold colored chains, and the value of this is $50. So this right alone pays for the box. Look how pretty this is. I like this. Very pretty. I see a lot with the coins lately. It's been coming more and more in style. See if I can get this out. What do you think, YY? This is super pretty. I like the length of it too. It's not too long. It's got some weight to it, so it's not chintzy. I have another necklace on, but it's little. Isn't that pretty? It's a little bit long here, but like for this particular outfit, but this is pretty. What do you guys think? I like the double chain. Very pretty. Very pretty. See if I can pull it up a little bit for you guys. There we go. Yeah, I like it. That's really pretty. They look really pretty with blouses, I think, as well. I like it. Cool. All right, what else we got? Next, Murad Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion. So this is obviously a full size. And this one says, formulated with collagen, amino acids, this treatment visibly minimizes the look of lines and wrinkles. $78 value, this one. Wow. I like the minimizing wrinkles part. Yeah, this is, how big is this one? It's 1 full ounce. I love this. I can't wait to give this a try. Have you guys tried this before? Let me know. I have not, so I'm looking forward to trying that. Yes. All right. Next. And I can tell you what it says about the packing cubes here because I see it. It says the Calpack set of 3 packing cubes in sorbet or tutti frutti. And I believe that I got the sorbet. It says packing just got a lot easier thanks to these handy packing cubes. And the retail value of them is $40. And I'm pretty sure I only paid $10 or $15 extra for them. All right, next. What is this? So this is Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle Treatment by Revive Light Therapy, which would make sense. So powerful LED combination has infrared IR light, invisible to the naked eye. IR light penetrates deeper than any other color in the spectrum, and it combats the signs of aging by stimulating the natural production of collagen and elastin. And then red light reaches deep layers of the skin where it stimulates cellular repair and increased circulation to promote a more vibrant, youthful complexion. And then amber light brings vitality to dull and lifeless complexions. Amber light reduces the appearance of redness, swelling, and inflammation. The color of lights is beneficial for rosacea. And this appears to be super easy to use. You basically like power it up, place it over the treatment area for 3 minutes, and then turn it off. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh. Check this out. You guys tried this? Again, something else I have not tried before. I can't wait to do that. Very cool. Very cool. So what does it say about it? It says, just stimulate collagen and elastin with this multi-wave light device. $68 is the value. All right. See, there's so many cool things in here. I can't wait to try this too. So excited. Next, what is this? These are silicone straws, 4 silicone straws, brush cleaner, and a plastic case, all in one. Cool. I'm always looking for new straws because I always drink out of a regular plastic, basically cup that I refill over and over and over again with my favorite drink or water throughout the day. I always have to have a drink. So I love this. And I actually have a straw cleaner that I use all the time. So it says, chic and tonic silicone straws. This set includes 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and a carrying case so you can sip your drinks on the go. And the value of this is $15. And you know, a lot of the stores now, or the restaurants, are not offering straws. You usually have to ask. And look how cute this is. Oh, and they bend. So I was like, how do they fit in here? So here's the size of the carrying case, which is nice because this would fit in your purse. And these just bend. Is it not cool? That is cool. So here's what they look like. And there's the brush. You can see that, their cleaning brush. Very cool. Love that. And they fit in that tiny little case. Very cool. What do you think, YY? He's gone to sleep. And Zena hasn't even moved from her spot there. All right, there's more. What is this? This is a Veen thermal spring water for sensitive skin. And this is a full size, 5.2 ounces. It says, spritz your face with hydrating spring water to calm, soothe, and soften the skin. $14. Not bad. And one more thing, I think. Oh no, 2 more. What is this? Let's see what this is. This is towels, I think. Let me see here. Stone Cold Box Tea Towels. Okay, it says, these chic tea towels feature a white and blue striped design and are both absorbent and durable. And the value of them is $38. I'm dropping everything now. Look how cute these are. Very nice. Very nice. There's 2 of them here. And they're pretty nice size. Very nice. And they actually should go. Yeah, they should go in my kitchen. I like them. And they are a nice weight, so I can tell they would be very absorbent. Very fun. Okay, and useful. I love how all these products are literally so useful in your daily life. All right, I have one more thing. Making sure there's nothing else hidden in here because I already feel like I got so much. One more item, which is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. A multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. 3.3 ounces. And let's see how much this is. So this is $40 retail value. Use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin. You're supposed to use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. Who couldn't use that? I know I could. Love it. So that is all my items. And this book is filled with all kinds of fun information on the products. They also talk about different ways to use them. So I found this page that talks about the packing cubes that I got and how to use them, which I love. So it's like roll, don't fold. You want to be able to see the items and be able to pull something out without unfolding everything else. Great idea. I generally pack my outfits together, so I know when I pull them all out, I'm pulling out the whole outfit that I want to wear. But that's a fun idea. When you roll them, then you don't have to pull everything out together. You're just pulling out that item. That's a good idea. It says make use of the labels. We've seen moms use them for their kids by labeling each child's name per cube or even dirty and clean. So if you're packing for multiple people, you could make sure you have a cube for each person. Look back at it. There's a back zipper compartment to each packing cube. You can pack extra items like socks and underwear in the back to save space from using another bag. And it's not just for clothing. You can use them for shoes, camera equipment, accessories, or really anything that needs organization and products that need to be compartmentalized in your suitcase. And for the large ones, you're supposed to pack chunkier items like bottoms, skirts, jeans, jackets. Medium is for tops, dresses, or anything that needs a little more space than the small cube, and small is for tops, pajamas, swimwear, cover up. So depending on your trip. Fun. They also talk in here about the FabFitFun style box, which you might have seen on my channel because I do get that. It's been a little bit hit or miss for me lately. The summer I did really well with that box. The fall I did pretty well. The winter hasn't been that good for me. My last box wasn't that great either. But that is kind of what happens with some of these style boxes, right? But they do talk a little bit about the FabFitFun style box. So lots of great information inside this little book. I had fun with my box. I hope you had fun unboxing with me. I always love it when you guys spend some of your time with me. So thank you so very much. I will put my link, as I said, down below in case you want to give the FabFitFun lifestyle box a try. You do have to be a member of the lifestyle box to try out the style box. So if you use my link, you will get $10 off your first box. And it always comes filled with useful products that I do incorporate into my regular daily life. So fun. So ready for spring. So happy my spring box is here. This was so much fun. Thank you. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. Would love you to hang out for the long haul. It helps me, it helps my channel, and helps me continue to bring you content. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up. And until next time, everyone, please comment below and have an amazing day. Bye.